from Marrakesh, everyone, and welcome to my Marrakesh vlog. We arrived yesterday and it was a long and very full day. I did vlog it, so it will be in another video which will probably be out before this one, so go check that one out first. But yeah, we've got some really exciting stuff coming up. We're going into the desert this afternoon, going quad biking, camel riding. We're going to try and do a hot air balloon, and I mean, this is my view right now. Like, absolutely stunning. So yeah, please like and subscribe and enjoy the rest of this video. So we finished up at breakfast. What did you guys think of breakfast? Vicky, Grace, what did you think of breakfast?
Hi! It was great. I'm very full right now.
What did you ask?
What did you think of breakfast?
Good, the omelette was nice.
Oh, what did you just say, Georgia?
I said it tastes good.
They just started playing like the good music by the pool, and Georgia goes, "This calls for a drink."
Oh, no, that's not that. I was like, oh, you know what this sounds like? A drink?
11 o'clock in the morning. Vicky's going up to do a Bollywood dance, and she's the only person, because she pinky promised the holiday wrap that she would. How did you find that?
Y'all were lame for not doing it. That was easy as hell.
We've made it to the water park, guys. This is what we're looking at. I'm so excited. Are you excited? I'm scared. Let's go. Oh yeah. GoPro guys. So we've all made it back from the water park. We've got changed as we're going to do a desert tour with quad biking, camel rides and dinner. Are you excited, G?
Yes.
We're all so excited. So we're just waiting now until our transfer comes and picks us up. I'll catch up with you guys in the desert. So we've made it into the desert, guys, and I think we're doing is it quad bikes first?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
And then we're going somewhere else for camel.
Hell yeah.
And that's going to be 30 minutes. Again.
Stunning. So
Excited.
hey, we're looking like dinner ladies. This is our ride. Hell yeah, mate. Hell yeah. Cute dinner ladies on tour. Cute dinner ladies on tour. See you on the other side, guys. we've made it to our halfway point. What did we think? This is where we are.
You're a good
currently.
driver.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, my phone's not over here.
Pretty cool. So this is where we've stopped. Hella dusty. Very nice, very cute. Maybe we can take some photos.
Oh wait, there's shade. How about we go sit in the shade?
I like that idea. We survived, guys. We did it. We survived. That was so fun.
You're such a good driver.
Thank you. I could tell in the second half that you were definitely more relaxed because you were holding me a little less tight.
Yeah. I think it was just because I needed to figure out what it was about, and then the second half
Yeah. No, I did.
But then like the second half I could like, I learned
Be
to
more
lean back
relaxed.
a bit.
Yeah. It was good
Like
fun.
when you were going top downhill, I went like that sort of thing.
Yeah, it was good fun. What did
Yeah.
you think, G?
Yeah, it was good. Did you like it a bit more? The wife down, I think, very
Did you see the dogs?
Yeah, it was so cute.
It mixed between milk and semolina, okay? And we cook it in the fire 4 hours, 5 hours. You have one.
They're so good.
Oh my god, that's really good. So good.
Yeah, it is really good.
So we were just waiting while we had some tea and some biscuits, and now it's time to go on a camel. That's cute. So we've just gotten wrapped and we're getting ready. I'm gonna, so you can do this so you don't get sand in your face. Jump! Oh, look, mine's gonna do it without being asked.
Automatic.
Huh?
Automatic.
Yeah. Good camel. So we've made it to our dinner location and it's absolutely stunning. I'm so hungry and I want more tea.
This is such a vibe.
It's so cute. It's like a little tea party in the woods. Look.
Tea party in the woods.
So we've got a, what was it? Peanuts, honey, argan oil, and then normal olive oil to try with the bread and more tea.
Oh, I got
some more tea.
Je m'attendais pas à ça. Mais c'est comme la Grèce.
Remove the shell to get a nut inside. Alors la première étape, on lève la chez l'extérieur pour obtenir un petit noyau comme ça. And after we broke the nut, to get a small almond inside. Alors s'il vous plaît, on attend juste les autres pour faire ensemble. Merci. Sorry.
Mamma Mia at the top of the hill. So we've got our second course, which is Moroccan chicken. Let's give it a go.
It's very nice already, I can tell.
Oh my god. That's so nice. So we are fed
few moments later.
So guys, we have made it back from our day tour. It has been a very long day, but it's probably been one of the best days ever. Like, it was so good. Like, the amount of stuff we did was crazy, and it only cost us about £25, which is just mind-blowing. So I think tomorrow we're going to try and go into Marrakesh and do like a rooftop bar and go around the markets and stuff. But for now, I'm going to bed, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. So we've just had breakfast and now we are all currently getting ready because we are heading into Marrakesh, into the city centre this afternoon. We're going to go around all the markets. We're going to try do the YSL gardens. We're going to go to a rooftop bar somewhere, hopefully. So yeah, it should be a really fun and interesting day. Yesterday was a day and a half. We were so busy and we did so much, but it was honestly so worth it. Really enjoyed it. So I'm just about to get ready, do a little bit of makeup, sort out my hair, and then we're gonna head in. So I'll bring you along with me. So guys, we've made it in to Marrakesh. We're just walking in.
Kutubiyya Mosque. This is the oldest mosque over here in Morocco. We're talking about 1,000 years.
Oh wow.
Yes, 77 meters, you know, by the golden top, the golden walls there. I'm sorry if my English is not that
No,
good.
it's good, it's good.
And you can take pictures whenever you want. This is the oldest part of the Medina. All the houses over here, they are not normal houses. We call them Riyadh. If you heard about Riyadh.
Yeah.
So Riyadh is like luxury house here in Marrakesh. It's like a palace with the yard, you know, a fountain, a little garden. Come on, please. This is the first place for the oils and the perfumes.
Whoa! I was not expecting this step.
Look, you are in a Riyadh, by the way. This is a very small Riyadh, and now it's become a club. This is how we make, you know, the oil over here.
A mixture of 4 spices together, mix it for fish smell like lemon. Coriander, nutmeg, ginger, cardamom, together mix it.
Oh, that's, yeah.
All kind of fish you can use.
Thank you.
Oh, she's already drank hers.
Fish spice, curry, turmeric, curcum.
Georgia.
Yeah. He's very pretty. Hello.
We're currently in the process of all getting matching bracelets. What we got so far? Black, the matte red. Grace is trying to find a pink one. If not, the purple one's nice.
Yeah, I think I'll get the purple.
Or the yellow.
Oh, barbecue! I just took my Vaseline out, or else that would probably have been the best.
Oh wait, I think I do have Vaseline, don't I? So we've made it in for lunch. How are you feeling, guys? Hot. Very pretty. We luckily got off the bus and a tour guide that's working with the restaurant tour. Thank you. Yeah. And showed us all these places. Got really lucky. What do you think?
A bit far away.
Over here? Bruh.
No, that's a Mark.
Thank you. For your pina colada, Sophie.
Merci. So we've made it into a rooftop bar and we've got some drinks. I'll try my pina colada for you guys. I just said, you know, it's going to be a good pina colada when it comes in a cup like this.
Is it strong?
Oh well, mine is strong, but it's also very nice.
What did you go for? I did a cosmopolitan, very classic martini.
Looks very pretty.
Try it. Oh, the coaster's sticking. That's a cocktail. That's a cocktail.
The bus after our day. How are we feeling, G, apart from your sore feet?
Very injured.
Georgia's got blisters on the bottom of her feet and has done since we got off the bus this morning. Yeah. We're going to go back now, have a few cocktails. They've got some sort of party on tonight in the hotel, so we're going to go to that. Yeah, it's been a really very interesting day. I said earlier that we literally got off the bus earlier and thank God this tour guide showed up and was like, oh, I'll take you here, I'll take you here, I'll take you here. Took us to all the good spots that will have been in this video. Otherwise, without him, we would have been absolutely lost. It was so lost. But yeah, I'll catch up with you in the hotel. We've made it back from Marrakesh. We've all gotten dressed up and we are gonna head down to the bar and hopefully get some food, have a few cocktails and just enjoy the night.
You made it.
It's just me and Vicky. Jordan and Grace have gone back to the room, so we're gonna party, I guess. It's so funny, like I speak a little bit of French because I did it in school, and a lot of the people we've been hanging out tonight speak French, and I've been trying my best to speak French, and actually I'm not gonna lie, I've been doing pretty well. I've been speaking fairly decent French.
Yeah, she's our translator right now. I'm pissed as hell.
So we've made it to the El Pool.
The El Pool?
But we're gonna have chicken nugget and chips and go to bed because morning, guys. So last night was good fun. I was feeling probably a little fragile this morning, but I'm okay now. We're just gonna head down to breakfast, get some food, and then chill by the pool because it is our last full day. We're doing the hot air balloon tomorrow morning, and then we'll just chill in the hotel until our transfer to the airport. But yeah. Wow. Finished up at the spa. We've all gotten ready to come down for our final dinner. And then there's some sort of show going on tonight, but the spa was so good. I feel so relaxed and my body has never felt softer. We just finished our last night. Unfortunately, our hot air balloon for the morning has been cancelled. So we're just going to be able to chill in the hotel for a bit longer, and we stayed out a bit longer. But yeah, we're just about to head back into the room. Morning everyone, it's our final morning. Me and Grace are just off to breakfast. Vicky and Georgia are feeling a little fragile from last night. But yeah, we're packing up and leaving today, not until this evening, but we've got to be out of our room for 12. And then we're getting picked up at 5:15 to then go to the airport. So I think we'll probably just chill by the pool today.